Alright guys, so a lot of people have been asking me and I just decided to make this video and just put it out there. A lot of you have been asking me how to dropship with faster shipping times, because if you dropship from AliExpress as everybody else, and I do the same, you know that your shipping time takes like 10 to 15 days if you use an e-packet. So I have a solution for you if you want to dropship for like literally and have your shipping times 2 to 5 days. So in this video, I'm just gonna make it straight to the point, a really short video, so you would know how you can go out there and cut the shipping time at least like in half. And I'm gonna show you how you can drop ship for literally from 2 to 5 days, and your customer's gonna be happy, and you're gonna be happy less canceling orders and upcharging. So let's just straight dive into this video. I'm gonna show you how to do that. So as you probably can see from the my screen, that we're on Amazon. So here's the first thing that you can do to dropship with faster shipping times. You can go actually and partner up with the suppliers and who are already selling on Amazon. So what I usually do, I have just a few products that I'm working with Amazon. So what I usually do, let's say you want to type camping and you're in a camping niche. And okay, let's take this product for example. So usually when you open this page, you can always see what kind of, who is the supplier. Usually the information right here. So you see that they're selling in a camping niche, they're selling this chair, looks cool, they have very nice reviews. So two things you always want to make sure that they have high reviews, like 5 stars, so it means that people like the product. And as you see, the price is $31 plus free shipping. So you can mark up this their product to, let's say, $40, and you're still gonna sell because great reviews, people see that that it's selling and people love that, and you can still make a lot of money because it's something that people want, right? And it's a great brand. So what you want to do if you want to start working with the supplier, you should contact them, and the easiest way to contact them, you're gonna click here. It's gonna open a new window, and this is how it looks like. It's their website. So usually what I do next, because here usually they don't have any info to contact them, so then I go just open the Google and I type Coleman shop. Just Coleman. Let's see what's pop up. Okay, here we go. Coleman outdoor camping gear and equipment. So here we're on their website. So actually you can get even ideas if you would like to dropship some what are already selling, because they know what they're doing, right? So usually on the bottom here of the website, you can find something like contact us. Let's try customer support. All right, here. So as you see guys on the right side right here, it says contact us, their phone number, and you can even ask questions. But what I usually do, I'll just get on the phone, call them, and say, hey, I would like to work with you and help you out with selling more of your products. And you can say that you're a Shopify owner and that you're gonna, mark up their products and make more profit margins, and that you're gonna sell. So usually they ask questions. Okay, what are your experience? Show us your store. Have you sell? You just tell that, okay, I've been working. I've been selling some products from AliExpress. I have experience, and all I would like to do is I want to cut my shipping time in half. So I would like to partner up with you and sell your product because your shipping times is way less. So this is what I usually do. This is, guys, an idea for you how you can do that. Second thing that you can, how you can leverage the shipping times and make them like less. This is called printing on demand. If some of you don't know what it is, it's basically you can use whether it's United States, they have all over the world the stores where you can actually put the design on the shirt, on a hat, whatever it is, on the clothing, and then they ship product to the person, to your customer. And usually the shipping times like 2 to 5 days. So here is one of the best printing companies, because I've tested a lot of them. This one is one of the best out there that I personally use. It's called Printful, so you can just go on printful.com, and they have app on Shopify, so you can go register, create an account, and just upload the app and connect your app to Shopify store. It's free. It's super easy. All you do, I probably in future make a tutorial how I do that. All you do, you just create a design. You get a design. Let's say something for, if you're in dog niche, you just create a design with dog, and then you upload your design inside the app, and you choose where you want to put your design, whether it's t-shirt, hoodie, hat, and then after that, all you have to do is just put this product that you just created with your design in your store. It's just with one click, and that's it. The product on your store, and the most importantly, the shipping times is literally 2 to 5 days. So then, instead of drop shipping if you drop shipping hoodies or t-shirts from AliExpress, you can just make your own similar designs, or take an idea from design from AliExpress, make your own, and just use this app. As you see, they're worldwide. They in the United States and Europe, they have a few fulfillment centers, and shipping times usually it's 2 to 5 days, and I'm using personal myself. I love that. Here's actually, it says we take 2 to 7 business days to create a product, t-shirt, etc., and 2 to 5 business days for non-apparel, because they have posters and other products. So guys, this is two ways that you can leverage to cut in half the shipping times, and cut in half shipping times to make your customers happy. So you can even contact the suppliers on Amazon and partner up with them. They would be happy to work with you, because they're looking for someone to help them sell more products. And second way is printing on demand, where you just create your design, upload into the store, and then basically just shipping the product. They fulfill and ship product for you. So you do the same idea with like AliExpress, but you don't use a barrel, you're just using the app, and your shipping times literally 2 to 7 days. So these two strategies, guys, that you can implement today, and just make your customers happy, win-win situation for you and for them. And yeah, this is basically what I recommend you guys, suggest you to do. And also, you don't have to just choose one way, or just do that and not do AliExpress. You can diversify. You can have different, like you can have in your store, you can do printing on demand, have section with the products that you can say, hey, for this products it takes 2 to 5 days. Then you have another section or specific products that you're gonna drop ship from Amazon, and again you're gonna say, okay, this is the price. And at the same time, you can have your products from AliExpress. So you kind of diversifying your store, and you have more options to just succeed in this field. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick video, because some of you have been asking me how to deal with shipping times. I hope this helped you. If it did, make sure to leave the like under this video, because it helps video a lot. And make sure to click the subscribe button and join the Entrepreneur Nation. If you're new here, we are the one nation. We are entrepreneurs that do whatever it takes to live the good life, to find this financial freedom. And we are a movement, a community, and we're here growing together as in one family. So click the subscribe button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
They'll be saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays people want to see you dead because you gifted. Been ready for my tomb since I came up out the womb.